Have you tried the keto diet and maybe you're not getting the results that you're looking for, or you want some of the latest research on the best ways to maximize the keto diet? Well, this is for you. Now, carb cycling or keto cycling is something that is relatively new in terms of a way of doing the keto diet. And why would we consider this? Well, doing keto long term may have some negative consequences and side effects. So, one of those could be that you become more insulin resistant. And in that insulin resistant state, unfortunately, what can happen is that you can no longer utilize your fat cells as an energy source, because when your insulin is high, you will not be able to tap into those fat cells. Now, one of the things that can happen if you are on keto long term as well is that your muscles will no longer use calories for their energy, and you can experience muscle wasting the longer that you are on keto. Sometimes your body won't shut off the keto process, and that can waste your muscles away, and that's not something that you want either. So how do we do the carb cycling or the keto cycling to maximize our benefits for longevity and to maximize our weight loss benefits on keto? Well, a great way of doing this, if you're sort of a Monday to Friday working person, is to do your keto Monday to Friday. So 5 days you will be on your keto restriction and your keto diet. And then 2 days, so on the weekends, you are taking this as a refeeding day, meaning that you're having a little bit higher carbohydrate content in your diet. So what does this benefit? Well, it benefits muscle growth. A lot of athletes do their keto cycling this way. And on those refeeding days, of course, you're knocking your body out of ketosis and you're replenishing your glucose and your glycogen stores. Basically, this is how it's done. So on your refeeding days, your carbs are going to be about 60 to 70% of your total calories. Your protein is about 15 to 20%, and your fats are just delivering about 5 to 10%. So you're sort of flipping keto on the other end of the spectrum in terms of your fat consumption, but that is how you do your keto cycling. So there you have it. I talked all about the keto diet and carb cycling or keto cycling and the benefits of doing that, especially for your muscle composition and your fat loss as well. Now, for more keto diet tips, check out my video, 9 tips for keto weight loss. One of my goals is to teach you how to empower yourself over the healing of your own body, mind, and spirit. Thanks for watching.